Windows 10 will end of support. Ready to unlock Windows 11 on any PC? This video shows how to upgrade to Windows 11 without using any USB or third-party software and keep all your files safe, and even on unsupported PC. I will show this upgrade into parts. Part 1. Get the Windows 11 ISO file. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Select the Microsoft site. Now, you'll find the latest version is Windows 11 24H2. Scroll to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices section. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Hit Confirm. Select the product language. Here, make sure you choose the one that matches your current Windows 10 version. In my case, it is English United States. Then confirm. Click 64-bit download. The ISO file is 5.4 GB in size, so wait patiently until it's complete. Once downloaded, you can install Windows 11 on your PC using the ISO. Part 2. Install Windows 11. Right-click the Windows 11 ISO and select Mount, then it will be mounted to your CD/DVD. Next, the key to success is the setup file. With this file, you don't have to use any bypasser. Locate the file in the Sources folder. Run command prompt as an administrator. Input E drive in the command prompt window, and hit Enter. You need to replace E drive with the drive letter you mount the ISO into. Run the CDE sources command. You can copy the source folder path as I show and paste it behind the CD command, and enter. Or you can run the CD command, input CD sources, and enter. Finally, run the setup exe product server command. Now, Windows Server Setup pops up. Just follow and wait patiently. Accept license terms. Choose what to keep on your PC. Click Install. This process will take you some time, and make sure your PC is on and plugged in. Now, we're live on Windows 11. Liked this walkthrough? Smash like. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech upgrades, hacks,